warm welcome to all the attendees to the certificate awarding ceremony for Holiday Camp December 2021. This holiday camp has turned out to be a very successful program with 38 participants, and we had 6 different subjects including art and craft, photography, guitar, piano, singing, and motherhood. According to the teachers, the students are well talented and has potential to further their skills in their respective subjects. Let's take a look at some moments from our holiday camp.
Practice. Okay, little break. Then practice.
All the students, did you enjoy the camp? How many of you did enjoy the camp? Okay, very well then. I would like to call Principal Alisa to share a few words with the students and parents.
Huriakudin Happy New Year. Kya be Huriakudin Happy New Year kya bhai? 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy New Year. Adi tankol bara. Happy New Year. Kya be bara? Happy New Year. Ada made marks ka de maduwani do. Okay. Happy New Year rega onnana vaiba na Huriaching emmen kya fa do. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ade. Today only one foreign student, so I'll be speaking in the way. Okay? Algonmen asluga mi holiday camp komme school bandega mi bawani demagsade oyege. Emagsada ki mihar MMSC ge himene 101 talents meyogu tebatibi eki madda tahuga. Then koiduge halatu kuri algonmen atuga 151 students tibi. Miyugutu algonmen mi komme holiday camp pakun MMSC en ala join kura wara bayar kudin tibe. Mi July holiday camp mu algonmen na gaganaka 20 work students bayarwi ekam 30 hama algonmen ge range ki 30 students komme holiday camp ekam par photography ituru wegen diama 37 students fefa miyoti. Den algon faha kollam beenun anekkama ki holiday camp ga bayarwi huriha kudinna free enrollment. Those who took part at the holiday camp will get free enrollment from MMSC for all the subjects. Okay? So that's a good news from the management. And algondu den aliyolwala meenambani mi hama warak kudukudukon hatar madda singing warang anen hembunniya avaha singing kujjaka laba kiyekan lilimi sabit koddi komme holiday campaign mere singing kodin laba kiya nimme de madaha kodin miskiya eka madaha kodin mi fartan kola gine ma algon men emmada huriya kodinna mi kuda tankologa manage nukurewuma mihingos demme fenu madaha kodin kolo yadi bechon ebbe. So ehemima singing ga tibi gaganaka 8 work kodin bike kodin mihar furango savi ehemima algon men mi nimmi miyogot tibi kodinna ko singing ge performance devena kama den ek hori rehearsal tawguteren algon men emme kamyab kamma ti rehearse korewoni singing එහෙම singing කුදින්ගේ performance එක ඔන්නානේ අදි මි session ගේ සදි කුරියන්ගේ session ගේ ඔන්නානේ දැන් අලුන් ෆහ කොල්ල මේනවනේ මි ෆහර ගොහදලේක මි අලුන් මෙ මි ගෙන්දි වර 50% වරන් ආ talents තක එක වාගේ teacher වරන් ආ එකම වර talented වර potential උරිස් teachers කොල අලුන් මෙන්න මි ෆහර ලිබුනේ මි වර zuwan කුදින් කොල කුරිමති මීනි අමානි අදි ෂෆා දෙකු දින්න කීස් වර talented දැන් අලුන් මෙ ehen teacher un ei kuriges kiewade teacher un lilimis nihaz so den yawgub so emi hum piano den inan so ki wara certified mi guitar ge degree en hada for befle guitar kiewade evvi music theory na ehemima wara qualified team akon tikodina kiewade tibi algonmenge masekata ki talent scout korum so talent algonmen hodum ge terega miyogut algonmen 37 talents komme kujje ge wes 44 eta baver funding algonmen migeteren fenijje algondu dushin singing ga hori kujje one student was at singing but later she joined the art and craft and she did very nice drawings I think so the teacher will talk about the drawings and artwork art and craft I would like to thank all the parents for taking part and sending your students to the holiday program of MMSC and then hope to see all the students in piano, guitar, singing, art and craft during 2022 academic year. Thank you very much and Happy New Year.
Now I would like to call Miss Lily to say a few words about the students' performances.
මිහා කුඩ දුවස් කොළෙතරේග 7 days වීම මී වරන් මී උම්මීදු කුරි වරබුරෙන් රංගලු අස්ලු කුදින්ගේ performance එක හිසාබ ගෙනවුනීම so mi ummeedu kuram miss mi kuriyan wen aharuga den tibi mi akkudim wes miss mena ekiga mi ta regular classes um pennane kama so mi miss mihiri waran ufai faslu miss ge clahuge kudim performance ka hamayen ade unima mi aslu warar mi mitanuga kudako stage fright hurima kudim madun kiyas ekam clahuga hama warar rangala barang alaya wes mavi wes kiyafaris even me Lisa also sang very well in the class maybe today she is having stage fright yeah So me, I hope hama mi sai ki ga hama mi kuriyang etanuga class ta kunti uri ha kudim vespen nanekam. Thank you.
Now, Shafa will say a few words.
Hello, everyone. So I'm Shafamis, the arts and crafts teacher. So in my for the holiday camp, I planned the classes like this. The first half I dedicated for art, painting, and later on we went to craft. So in the painting and line art category, we focused on composing a picture using lines, different types of lines and shapes, incorporating them into our paintings, as you can see. And I saw a lot of potential from students, and I think these skills need to be honed to be improved in the future. Then in the crafts category, I thought, why not we do something different this year? I mean, I am new here, but I thought of doing something unique. Like, I don't think a lot of us in Maldives are familiar with papier mâché. So I planned on exploring into that. Yes, it was messy, but it was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Right? It was a lot of fun mixing all that paper shreds and glue and water and making something beautiful, right? And yeah, decorating it, and it was very fun. So I hope to, this was a very beautiful experience for me, and I hope it was for the children as well, and I hope to see all of you in the future. Very good day to you all. Thank you.
Now it's time we acknowledge the talents of students certificate distribution. I request Alisa to hand over the certificates. Okay. Ryan Luth Ibrahim. Okay. Ira Al Ali Nasim. Give a big round of applause for Ira. Naura Ibrahim Nasim. Okay, Keith Sky. Shaista Ahmed Navin. Aman Abdullah Nasheed. Now I'd like to ask Ms. Shafa to hand over the certificates to the students. Ilma Shahura Ismail. Mariam Nauran Shamsir. Dirb Seno. Abdullah Ayan Adif. Thank you, Ms. Shafa. Now I'd like to ask Ms. Lily to give away the certificates. Alaya Azmia Latif. Elizabetta Verina. Alaina Ahmad Ishan. Amnat Luba Muhammad Vijan. Sarah Alaika. Evelyn Ahmad Munaz. Thank you, Ms. Lily. Okay, before we give away more certificates, we are going to have our singing students up on the stage again. Can all the singing students come over here?
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing.
to share a little fact about MMSC to you all. MMSC is the campus for Trinity College, London. You can pursue international music exams accredited by MQA, and I would also like to highlight that all the participants of the holiday camp gets a free enrollment form with their certificates this time. Thank you. For the rest of the certificates, Miss Amani is going to give them away. Alia Abdul Aziz. Fatmat Azka Asad. Aishat Ana Nabil Hussain. Hawazuin Ali Hafiz. Sorry, Aishat Zuin Ali Hafiz. Thank you, Amani. Now, we are going to say goodbye for this session. Thank you all the parents and students for participating in the holiday camp. Except for all the singing students, parents and students can leave now. Thank you. I'd like to call Principal Alisa to share a few words with the students and parents.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uriha kudin migadi ke session ke kudin waram madu den kuri session ke dekkiwa ke boda dakkan otekam bayin a kudin abtiwe. Alon men holiday camp ke astu bod magsad ki mi a talent sodun den ege iturun alumenge mi marketing tool ke holiday camp e beenun korave. Holiday camp kudin nan alum mideni free enrollment. Mi ennaharu mi FS enrollment fee nodakka kudinna wadivena holiday camp golon huriha kudinna free enrollments. Den alumne mi geteren mi holiday camp teren alumne hasil wara rangalu danudandiyen ebai wara talented teachers teachers ko alumne fenijje mi alumenge devana roga mi kolum mi tibbevi nayash sorry ane amaniya shafaya adi algon teacher ekge wahaka nomunyas eves demme announce koramange dies wara talented kujje hama midairaga waragina kanga korwa fori kujje nehem algonmen mi team ge 50% hama kudinna ko masekem mi kori edem war rangol achievement 37 students komme kujjegge ves algonmen naki talent scout kora backup wative forui for talent komme kujje ko tawlim hasil korana e kujjegge hama wahake daimi rasmi formal tawlim ekamu ege beenun emme rangalan hife ekaki algondu estem waran aadaga waraka kori kiya futta algondu mi fannu asaganen algondu mi fannu ko misra koriye diye den algondu mi fannu ko koriye diye algondu ham beli ham mi fannu ges koriye deve to ituran hama algondu ge rasmi tawdim semi fongos badal wegen diye mi dairage tawdimaka eme mi dannon wole wahake ki mi artistry algonmenge hashigandga horiya hinda algonmen survival commerce ituru tooling ebote hame kani formal education ko none arts sama holistic education na wara bodu courier melli bekame em algonmen algonge devana message ki hama MMSC ki Trinity College London ge rajya campus kama wative gina kudin we have gina kudin international exams heduma mitana baveru algonda mi singing kudin ge performance tibe phone fenu dannawana wara funny kudin kolen yatu jehone komme kujjakos hatarohar kujjakos eburikama wan hatarohar kujjaves irad koraviya on pitchung lavakiya enageden innani kuda voice ekama ena kiyani on pitchung on tempo ga ei ummidus kori kamenno එහෙම ei achievement ki ekujjage hashiganda gori talent ge wara bod potential de alummen ingen dia kame den adi evara bodit kodim wes ham wara talented ehme ma alun madi go hada karnati mimgutu ge session ga kodim wara madu hiwani hama mi area fenne hem for furagen gena kodin die hin hiwani ekam frakama report kori bike kodin certificates miharwani gen go sevedana mi session ge gena kodin certificate gen go sati bi kama okay hem vi ma alun wara bod shukor ada kurun horiya bedin verna sha horiya student on mi holiday camp ge bari viti adi kuriyan aharu tigeteren gina kodin mitanuga eki maaddatakun fennan kam umidu kora. Assalamu alaikum.
Next, we will have a performance by the singing students. Can all the singing students come over here?
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep things loose, they keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like no fun, we never fight. Come dance and stay uptight. It's supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Now it's time we acknowledge the talents of students by giving away certificates. I request Alisa to hand over the certificates. Those who are done, those who were in singing and those who received the certificate can leave now. Thank you so much. Aishat Aini Amir. Mariam Ashpa Aslam. Thank you, Alisa. I'd like to call Shafa. Shafa is the art teacher. Jean Mufawiz Hashim. Jian Mufawiz Hashim. Mariam Zeek Shahib. Thank you, Shafa. Now I'd like to ask Miss Lily to give away the rest of the certificates. Mavi Shihan. Malaka Mohammed. Thank you, Miss Lily. I'd like to call Miss Taudat to give away the rest of the certificates. She is the Madha teacher. Ara Amir Hussain. Fatma Zisha Hassan. And the very last student, Lion Ali Saleh. Lion? Thank you so much, parents and students, for coming. Also for participating in this holiday camp. Thank you so much. And we hope to see you this year in our other programs as well.